to the farmstead. Thought I'd take a few minutes this morning and dig potatoes. So I'm on the porch, so you can tell I'm not digging potatoes out of the garden. We're going to dig potatoes out of our bucket. This is the bucket with that we started several months ago. I think we put 3 potato sprouts in here. We'll see what we get. It's been beautiful all summer, and now it's finally died back. So it's telling us it's time to dig potatoes. So we're just going to dig in and see what we get. By the look of the leaves and the plants that were on top, I'm betting we have some good stuff. All right, so here's my bucket. I've got a hanging basket that I'm going to use for something else. I'm going to put my dirt over in that. And I've got a pan to put my potatoes in. I don't even have my gloves today. We're just going to dive right in. Maybe. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's one plant. There's the other plant. This dirt is very dry. I have not watered it in a week or so. No. There's what's left of our seed potato, I think. Look at there. One. Oh, look at there. Little snowman. Yay, look at here. There's one. Starting to sprout, so we'll knock those little buds off. Look at there. Well, we have enough for us a meal, if nothing else. There's one. Yep, that was it. So there we go. That's a nice little mess of potatoes. So there we are. Potatoes from the bucket. I'm very excited. It's not very many. It was fun. What a fun experiment. Easy for anyone to do. And how rewarding. We'll cook these up and have them with dinner tonight. Thanks for watching. See you next time.